At the beach, a magical transformation occurs. It's a place where time takes on a new meaning, where the worries of everyday life are left behind. Here, the hours no longer dictate our actions, but rather, it is the ebb and flow of the currents that guide us. We find solace in the rhythm of the tides, and we surrender ourselves to the warmth and radiance of the sun. In this tranquil oasis, life becomes a symphony of moods and moments. Each passing second is an opportunity to embrace the sheer beauty that surrounds us. The crashing waves awaken our senses, reminding us of the vastness of the world and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. At the beach, we are free. Free to let go of our worries and immerse ourselves in the present. It is here that we find clarity, where our minds are unburdened and our spirits are lifted. The salty breeze whispers secrets of tranquility, inviting us to explore the depths of our souls and discover our truest selves. As we stroll along the sandy shores, we are reminded of the impermanence of life. Just as the tides change, so do our circumstances. Yet, it is in this constant state of flux that we find strength and resilience. We learn to adapt, to go with the flow, and to embrace the uncertainties that lie ahead. The beach is a sanctuary for dreamers and adventurers alike. It is a place where dreams take flight and aspirations are born. Here, we are inspired to chase our passions, to dive headfirst into the unknown, and to create a life that is filled with purpose and meaning. So, let us bask in the golden glow of the sun, let us dance with the waves, and let us surrender ourselves to the beauty of the beach. For in this sacred space, time stands still, and we are reminded that life is not measured in hours, but in the moments that take our breath away.